In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create graphic designs in Canva. If you're getting started with content creation, building a brand, or offering simple design services, Canva can make the process much easier. A lot of beginners feel stuck because their designs look cluttered, uneven, or just not polished enough. The good news is that you do not need advanced design training to create something clean and professional. Canva gives you a simple drag and drop workspace that helps you build strong visuals quickly. Let's go step by step. To begin, open Canva from your homepage dashboard and go to the top right corner. Click Create a Design. For a flexible project size that works well for many digital graphics, choose Custom Size. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, then enter 2000 for the width and 2000 for the height. After that, click Create New Design. This gives you a sharp square canvas that is large enough to keep your design looking crisp and clear. Once the blank canvas opens, set up your workspace before adding anything. This helps you keep your layout balanced from the beginning. At the top of the screen, click File, then go into View Settings, turn on Show, Rulers and Guides, and also turn on Show Margins. You should now see the safe area around your canvas. These guides are useful because they help prevent text, logos, or important graphics from sitting too close to the edge. Now it's time to add your main visual. On the left sidebar, click Elements. In the search bar, type in something that matches your theme, such as a minimalist shape, abstract line art, or a clean business style graphic. Then switch to the graphics results so you can focus on design elements instead of photos or other media. Choose one visual that feels strong and clear, then drag it onto your canvas. This will become the focal point of your design, so keep it intentional and avoid overcrowding the page. Next, add your text. Go to the left sidebar and click Text, then select Add a Text Box. Start with your main headline. Use the toolbar at the top to choose a bold font style, such as League Spartan or Montserrat Bold. Keep the headline short and easy to read, ideally under 65 characters. Then add a second and third text box below it for supporting text and a call to action. Make these smaller than the headline so your viewer naturally reads the information in order. Before exporting, take a final look at the layout. Make sure your text is aligned consistently and that the background has enough contrast against the lettering. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner and click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a crisp digital graphic or PDF print if the design is meant for printing. Finally, click Download to save your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the